Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to use Google Vids for your editing projects. To begin, navigate to docs.google.com and click the plus icon to start a new video. You will be prompted to choose an orientation, such as landscape, portrait, or square. For this demonstration, we will select landscape. The platform allows you to work with AI avatars, convert slides, and record or upload footage using various templates and storyboarding tools. You can start with a blank canvas and sequence, then simply drag and drop your video files directly from your folder. Music can also be added by dragging it beneath your video tracks, similar to other editing software. If the audio levels are too high, select the sound option to decrease the volume for a better balance. This makes the background music much more professional and less distracting. The side menu offers several powerful editing features. You can generate an 8-second AI video clip by entering a description and choosing your format. There are also options to animate static images, create avatars, or add professional voiceovers. To use the voiceover tool, select a narrator, input your script, and click Insert. You can even generate custom images or record your camera and screen simultaneously by hitting the Start Recording button. Your uploaded files from Google Drive and Photos are easily accessible, along with a library of stock media including videos, images, music, and stickers. For accessibility, you can generate captions using various styles provided by the platform. Adding titles, subtitles, and other text elements is just as simple. If you are creating a presentation, explore the available templates or use the Shapes menu for additional graphics. You can customize your workspace by adjusting the timeline width at the bottom. The interface provides many ways to edit, allowing you to shorten clips, move them around, or generate new audio. To include a transition, click the Add Transition button and pick a style like spin. Once you play the video, you will see the effect applied smoothly between your scenes. This process is very user-friendly and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.